Well, we had a little interruption with snow, a couple blizzards. We survived it. Got the driveways clear now. Margaret has a appointment tomorrow she needs to go to, so I had to make sure that was right. This is Amigo 3. Uh, I have the switch for the puff chuff sound. The trigger for the chuff is in and done. The tender is assembled and stuffed. It's now getting wired. I have the trucks built. I want to let everybody know this is probably my very best set of trucks, and I've made some changes. If you'll see, I put a rib in the back to keep these trucks from separating, and now every axle is smooth as silk. This is the wire clamp that'll go on. I didn't put the holes in. I keep forgetting, so I got to drill those holes out. I've got the two buck boost boards in, the motor control board tested, forward and reverse. AC to DC is in. I got to rewire some stuff. I need to build that little interface board where all the inputs come in, and I've just received the harnesses today, so I can finish all the cars, all the three Amigos harnesses. Will take more than a day. It's pretty complex. I got the speaker system sort of, figured out. The soundboard is getting printed right now. If you can't see that too well, can you? Maybe that helps. No, it doesn't help. At any rate, there it is. It's getting printed now, the soundboard, and I have all the bits to assemble it. So the soundboard assembly is the next to last thing, and then I have to build the motor on detector. And I'm going to build the motor on detector. I need two of them, actually three, one for my engine. So we're going to build that. I have two designs. I have a rectifier and a diode bridge. I'd probably do one or the other. I'll see this. If I have the smaller rectifiers, I'm just going to use those, and we should be in good shape. I did a final design to the firebox. Got it nailed in, looks good, and I'm pretty close to the final design on the ash pan. Got some tweaks, but nothing serious. And boy, are things coming together. I mean, really coming together. Oh, great. So to see engine number 2 and engine number 3 in this state for me is pretty exciting. I got all the tender bodies, the standard body, the sculpted body, and then the one with coal. Coal will go on here. I'll figure out which one these guys want and give them that. And so that's worked out. And boy, yeah, and I just got my red and blue wire I ordered, plus the rest of the harnesses. So I'm going to be wiring for the next few days, but it's going to be very rewarding. Oh, there's the call. Time for... Yes, I'm coming. Yes, thank you. God bless her. She helped me so much with the snow, preparing with the fixing the snowblower and getting out there and back. And yeah, I mean, I have engines everywhere, and it's going to be pretty exciting. This is Rodney's, and what I'm going to do with his is rewire it. He's got a good design for this motor on detector, but I'm going to tidy up his wiring quite a bit, and his engine is really ready. I know he needs a new... I think he needs a new chassis and then the body. We can do a final assembly on this right away. And then the firebox to fit this in. And then I think it's just tidy this wiring up. His was the first one I had running. I wanted to get it out fast, but then I kept having problems. But I think we're ready to button this up, get the other two running and button them up. and then I can go back to my version, which is the Corvette engine, and it is just sitting. Plus I have 2 boxes with engines that need work, so I'm a little behind. At any rate, that's it. I had to call, gotta run. We're printing and we're building. It's great. It's really, really great. Oh, and I have my own, another one I have is my anniversary engine. I'm gonna rebuild that. Put all this stuff in there. Yep, why not? Okay, gang, that's all. Later.